Shopify search engine optimization tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can optimize search engine, okay, how you can become an SEO expert. And I'm going to be talking to you very deeply about Shopify's SEO, okay? And also, before we start off this video, do make sure to check the link in the description for hiring a cheap SEO expert, okay? Because SEO experts are very, very expensive out there. You can search up different things like Indeed.com, you can search up LinkedIn, you can search up Fiverr. You're going to get a lot of really expensive people out there. But if you check the link in the description and if you're looking for an SEO expert, then trust me, there's a cheap one for hire and you can get it down below. Now, after we've discussed that, let's get straight into the video. So, to start things off, we're obviously going to come over to Shopify, okay? This is your basic Shopify dashboard, right? Very standard, very basic stuff. Now, once you are over here, what you are going to want to do is set everything up for your Shopify. So over here, what we are going to want to do is obviously you're going to want to go to your Shopify admin. This is basically your Shopify admin over here, right? And to make your, you could say, workings better, or to make your SEO better, you're also going to want to learn the laws of Shopify's SEO. So even if you come over here and write Shopify SEO, Shopify has a whole help page or a wiki page over improving their SEO. Like they have a help center for it. So they give you an SEO review, overview. They tell you to edit their, as you can see, robot.txt liquid, adding keywords for SEO to your Shopify store, optimizing your site structure, and a whole lot of other things. So basically, search engine optimization, in short words, is optimizing your structure for different search engines, okay? Now, to start things off, what you're going to want to be doing is you're going to come over to this section, okay, which says marketing, because marketing is what actually summarizes what SEO actually constitutes. But before going to that, you're also going to want to come over to your settings. And once you come over to your settings, for better SEO, I would always recommend to have a domain for yourself. Like whatever domain you're using, make sure that it's an original bought domain. Like you have bought this domain. So basically, once you've gotten your own domain, you can add it through, clicking connect existing domain. And once you've connected any existing domain, that just helps the SEO much better because a domain with a more unique name, like let's say you're going to name it like nirvana.com, or you're going to name it something like bulkbridge.com. That's a very unique name. That will have obviously a heavier impact. But if you're, naming it something like AA24DD-3.myshopify.com, that's just not going to work. Not a lot of people will be attracted to that. Not a lot of people will want to click that URL. So that's the first thing, that you're going to connect an existing domain and make sure that it's a well-made and an actual attractive domain. No one likes an unattractive domain. And once we've done that, what we are going to want to do from there is we're going to want to go ahead and search keywords in your actual search bars to see which keywords actually work. So basically, let's say there's a girl who wants to buy a summer dress. You're gonna write that, you're gonna enter it in, and here we can see all these things. So first of all, you get Pinterest, then you get these websites, like clothing websites and all. So this depends on your search engine optimization. Like, if let's say ShopRex's search engine optimization was better, they might be on top. So it all depends on that. So this is how search engine optimization will help you. All right. Now, you can also cross-check your SEO with other people as well. Okay. And let me tell you how you're going to do that. Now, for search engine optimization, as I stated, you can use external programs for your SEO, okay, or for your keywords. So let's say over here, I'm going to go ahead and write keyword generator. All right. So we're going to search that in. And these are different keyword tools or SEO tools, okay? So you can go on any of these. Okay, many of these websites work pretty similarly. I would suggest going with a more Google keyword tool. So let's say I'm going to go with that, and you can choose categories, all images, news, video, shopping, whatever you want to go with. And it says type a keyword and press enter. Global, worldwide, all countries. Then you have English. So let's say I searched summer dress, right? I'm going to write summer dress right here, and I'm going to write it in again. I'm going to search it up. Okay. So once we search it up, it verifies things, connection is secure. And once we do that, look at this. So summer dress, and you get all these things. Obviously, most of these programs are paid, so you are going to want to pay for them. But as you can see, you get these many keywords, and you can actually see summer dress has a search volume of 673,000, 50% gain in trends, and the average cost per click is $1.1, and competition is extremely high. Like, it's crazily high. So, yeah, pretty great stuff. And you can see the different quantities and keywords: summer dresses, white summer dresses for women, etc. So, you can actually see which summer dress has a higher search volume with good cost per click, and you can actually correlate that. And you can also see the top of page bid, the bottom page bid, and the monthly search volume that these things usually are getting. So these are the things that you're going to want to keep intact when you're keeping, SEO in mind. And then SEO basically, once you've made a good domain connection, so that fixes the URL problem, then you're going to want to make sure that the name of your products is good as well. So, like let's say I have this product over here. It's just called demo ebook. So, that's a pretty basic and standard name, and I'm pretty sure a billion other people have kept this name for themselves. A billion other people. And that doesn't really help me now, does it? So, how am I going to be fixing that? So, to fix that, what you're going to want to do is we're going to go here, and I'm going to, go and write SEO tool. And in this, SEO tool, you can actually keyword research. It says keyword generator. I'm going to write demo ebook. Okay, I'm going to write that. I'm going to click on find keywords. And once it goes ahead and finds keywords for me, I'm just going to write ebook over here and click on search. So once you do that, it's going to give you tons and tons. So look at these ideas: ebook, ebook reader, CPM ebook, free ebook download. So you can see all these things. This is the keyword difficulty, which gives an estimation of how hard it is to rank in the top 10. So with just ebook, as you can clearly see, it's very hard. Then you have the search volume, the updates that you get per hour of this name. So you have to keep all these things in mind to check your optimization for your search engine. And, once you do all these things, just keep your SEO intact, keep using tools and keywords, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And again, please do make sure to check the link in the description below, because I will be providing a very cheap SEO expert for hire. Okay. So that's pretty much about it for me. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.